Hi, my name is Craig, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove malware from a Windows 10 computer. This computer has a few pieces of junkware on it, like Slim Cleaner Plus and Driver Update. We're going to use a few tools here to remove it. First thing is to go onto the internet. We're going to download a few programs. You can head to Google. Let's just do a search for download ADW Cleaner. We're going to download it from Tools Lib. We're also going to head over to bleepingcomputer.com. That's where we're going to download the other tools we're going to need. So we're going to open up junkware removal tool download page as well. The other program we're going to download is TDSS Killer. We'll also grab that from Bleeping Computer, but I'm just going to do a quick Google search to link to the direct page. So because this computer is so infected, it is a little bit sluggish. If you have a hard time downloading these programs on the infected computer, download them on another computer, copy them onto a flash drive, and then use that to run it on this infected computer. So once we do have the three tools downloaded, the junkware removal tool, TDSS Killer, and ADW Cleaner, then we can actually start the process of running these programs and getting it cleaned up. So we're going to start by running the TDSS Killer first. The options are pretty simple, but there is one option we do want to enable before we start the scan. Click on Change Parameters and check the Detect TDLFS file system option and start the scan. It should be pretty quick. We're just going to jump ahead. It should only take about a minute though. So there we have it, it's finished, and it didn't detect any items, so we can just click Done. If it did find anything, it would have removed it automatically. Next thing we're going to run is the junkware removal tool. So you may receive an error message when you push a key to continue right here that it cannot create a restore point. If you do get that error message, we want to go and enable the system restore point. So go into system protection, choose configure, we want to turn on system protection, slide the slider so you at least have 10 gigs or so at least of space there for system restore points. Now we have system restore turned back on, let's just relaunch the junkware removal tool. This time it will succeed in creating the restore point. After it creates the restore point, it will just continue on with the scan. So I'm going to speed this portion up a little bit so we don't have to wait through the scan. This one typically takes only about 5 minutes though. It will open up this report at the end showing you everything that's deleted. We can recognize most of this stuff, Driver Update, Slim Cleaner Plus, the other programs that we suspected were on here. These are just file names though, sometimes they're not very descriptive or very helpful, but it's all junk. The next program we're going to run is ADW Cleaner. This program does require a restart at the end, so I usually run it last. I'm going to speed this scan up as well, so you don't have to wait for this. Again, it only takes about 5 minutes for most of these scans. This is finished, you can view the results. You can actually uncheck items here to not remove them. This is all junk, so let's just go ahead and click clean. This is finished cleaning, just hit OK and OK again, and the computer is going to restart. So after the restart, it's going to open the log file for ADW Cleaner. This is very similar to the junkware removal tool log we just seen. Lists everything that it deleted. We can just close that up here though. So next step is we're going to download Malware Bytes. This is the free version. We're just going to use it to do one more scan just to get any other traces that are left over. You can uncheck the enable free trial, however you could try it if you're interested. Just click scan now to begin the scan. It'll automatically check for updates and continue scanning. We'll just skip to the end. As you can see, this scan took about 5.5 minutes. So let's just remove everything. Choose finish, and we'll have to restart to complete the removal process. So let's go ahead and do that. Here we are after the restart. So the next thing we're going to do is check, make sure our DNS settings are correct. So we're going to go into the Network and Sharing Center, click on our local area connection or Ethernet connection properties, and into the IPv4 properties. Some malware can change your IP or DNS settings to redirect you to malicious websites, so do make sure that this is set appropriate for your network. Usually just obtain automatically for the typical home setting. After that, we're going to go into the internet options. Most importantly is to check the connections tab and see if you have any VPN or proxy settings set. Again, this is another way that malware can redirect you. So just make sure the use a proxy server option is unselected. If you have any doubts, you can go into the advanced tab and choose to reset. And reset again. This will reset everything to safe default values. Last but not least, we're going to go into programs and features and just manually remove any other crap that's left over. So I'm sure you've removed programs before. I'm just going to skip ahead here. So this is the last program. We've uninstalled it all. It asks you to restart to uninstall anything. Go ahead and restart. So now that we've pretty much removed everything, or gone through all the scans, let's go ahead and test the internet, test whatever problem you're having, see if it's still happening. If you're getting advertisements or underlined words or redirects, anything else like that. If you are still having problems, you can Google the specific problem, looking for specific solutions. But generally, this set of scans will fix the majority of problems. So now that your computer is clean, you can check out my next follow-up video that describes or details the process of how to set up a proper backup. So next time this happens, you can be back up in no time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.